Receiving results from a brain imaging scan, like an MRI or CT scan, can be a really anxious moment, especially when you hear the word abnormal. You might wonder what that means for your health and what steps come next. When a doctor describes brain imaging results as abnormal, it means the scan showed something that deviates from the typical appearance of healthy brain tissue. This deviation could be a structural change, an area of inflammation, or a finding that requires further investigation. It is crucial to remember that abnormal does not automatically mean severe or life-threatening. It simply signals something unusual that needs careful medical evaluation. The reason why a scan might show an abnormality is complex and depends on many factors. Often, these findings can relate to benign conditions, such as age-related changes, old head injuries, or even common conditions like migraines that leave subtle traces. Sometimes, they indicate conditions that need attention, like signs of an infection, inflammation, or even a small, non-cancerous growth. Understanding the specific context of your health, medical history, and symptoms is essential for interpreting these results correctly. To fully understand your specific abnormal brain imaging results, it is vital to have a detailed discussion with your doctor, ideally the one who ordered the scan or a specialist like a neurologist. Ask them to explain the findings in plain language, point out the areas on the images themselves, and clarify what these abnormalities mean for your diagnosis and potential treatment. You should also inquire if additional tests or consultations with other specialists are recommended to gain a clearer picture. Your doctor will consider the specific location, size, and characteristics of any findings on the scan, along with your symptoms and medical history. For instance, a small white spot seen on an MRI might be an incidental finding with no clinical significance in one person, but could be a sign of multiple sclerosis in another, depending on their other symptoms. This holistic approach ensures an accurate diagnosis and appropriate plan. Ultimately, an abnormal brain imaging result is a piece of information that helps your healthcare team understand your brain health more comprehensively. By engaging in open communication with your medical professionals and asking clarifying questions, you can move from uncertainty to a clear understanding of your condition and the best path forward for your well-being.